Hey there, how's it going? So in this video we are going to learn how to count the number of keys and value in a tuple. So basically we are going to be using Spark RDD to count the number of keys and value. So the first thing you do is have the list of the tuples. So this is this list, like sequence or list. So we have tuple 1, tuple 2, 3, 4. So we've got key 1 and key 2, and key 1 has different values, right? So it's got apple here, it's got mango here, it's got apple here again. But key 2 has got only orange. So we're going to count the number of occurrence of each key and value. So the first thing we need to do is parallelize this data. So that will be spark session dot spark context dot parallelize. So we're going to specify the data here, and we're going to use countByKey. Let's say let me print this one, print line, and that will be RDD dot countByKey. So the key we want to count is we have to specify it. So that will be first of all, let's count 1, and so RDD dot countByKey we need to countByKey dot get. We need to get the key actually. So we have to specify key 1, and the second one is we want to get key 2 as well. So that will be print line RDD dot countByKey dot get. We want to get key 2, and also we want to get the value. Print line get values. So we want to say print line RDD dot countByValue dot get. So let's say, so if you're going to countByValue and you want to get the value, you have to specify the key of that value. So in this case it has to be integer and string. So specify the get parameter here, and the key, let's say 1. So we want to get 1 and the value of 1. So let's say we want to get apple. So we want to get the number of times apple occur within this sequence of tuple or list of tuple. So, and the second one is, let's say we want to get mango, number of times mango occurs. So countByValue dot get. So how to specify 1, and the key is mango, number of times mangoes occur, and the key is 1. So so let's move to key 2. Let's get the number of times key 2 occur, RDD dot countByValue dot get. So let's say we want to get 2, right? countByValue want to get 2, then orange. So so let's run this code and see. Okay, the code has finished running, right? So as you can see here, right, we've got RDD dot countByKey get 1. The number of times 1 occurs is 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 is 1 time, and if we are getting the value, number of time we have apple for key 1 is 1 2 2. That should give us 2 here, and this one give us 1, and the last one give us 1. So that is how you can basically use countByKey and countByValue in on RDD. So that is just it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Leave a comment. Have a lovely day and goodbye.